Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to rename Hotspot on Realme C67 device. Okay, changing the hotspot name is typically done through the hotspot settings on the device that is sharing the network. Users can access these settings to modify the network name and customize it according to their preferences. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Well, first thing first, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can choose the first option, network and internet. Well, and then in this section, you can choose hotspot and tethering option. And then please select Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, and then to rename your hotspot network, and then you can choose hotspot name here, and then customize it as you need. Okay, and then for the second way, you can go to the control center menu. After that, here you can find out the hotspot icon, and then please long press on it. Okay, after that, you can do the steps before to rename your hotspot network. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to rename hotspot on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.